Tosoh operates from two main sites in Yamaguchi and Mie prefectures. The Nanyo Complex is located in Shunan, Yamaguchi Prefecture, and is central to the wider Shunan Industrial Complex. It is the largest production site in the Tosoh Group. It also functions as a base for exporting to China and other Asian markets, making use of its location on the westernmost point on the main island of Japan. Tosoh was founded in 1935 at the Nanyo site and was then known as Toyo Soda Manufacturing. It is one of the largest sites for a company in Japan, around 65 times the size of Tokyo Dome. Piers are required for marine transport. With 23 piers at the Nanyo Complex, even 50,000-ton class ships can dock here, supporting global imports and exports. All electricity used on site is produced in-house, and steam produced while generating this electricity is effectively used as a heat source at each manufacturing plant. Tosoh is developing its business around two areas: the commodity business supporting social infrastructure and the market-resilient specialty business with high added value. The Nanyo Complex produces caustic soda from salt, as well as a wide range of commodity and specialty products utilizing co-produced hydrogen and chlorine. Raw salt is imported from countries such as Australia and Mexico. Salt is brought to Japan in large ships. After the salt is delivered to the on-site piers, it is transported for storage using conveyor belts. This salt is used as a raw material at the electrolysis plant to produce caustic soda, chlorine, and hydrogen. Caustic soda is used as an intermediate material to produce various industrial and household products, such as tap water conditioners and disposable diapers. Tosoh utilizes co-produced chlorine and hydrogen as raw materials in the manufacture of a wide range of products, such as window frames and agricultural film. VCM, the raw material for PVC resins. Engine oil additives. Ethylenamines used in wind turbine blades. Synthetic rubber used in escalator handrails and medical gloves. And urethane materials used in refrigerator insulation and aircraft paint. Tosoh continues developing its specialty business, with bromine used as a raw material for pharmaceuticals and as a flame retardant for printed circuit boards, silica glass used to produce semiconductors and monitors, zirconia for dental materials and decorative items like watches, synthetic zeolites used to purify car exhaust emissions, separation and purification media used to develop and produce biopharmaceuticals, and diagnostic equipment for diabetes. There are 3 development sites for specialty product research and production technology at the Nanyo Complex. The Inorganic Materials and Organic Materials Research Laboratories work on developments in the electronics, environmental, and healthcare fields. The Technology Center is a hub for Tosoh Group production technology and engineering, mass-producing new products and developing large-scale technology while improving existing processes and increasing efficiency. Tosoh continues to engage in comprehensive disaster drills and a variety of other activities prioritizing a basic policy of safety first. Tosoh has also actively participated in community events and engaged in dialogue with residents to become a friendly and trusted company through its involvement in the community. Tosoh will continue to walk hand in hand with the community.